The Lok Sabha has cleared the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025, introducing a blanket ban on real money online gaming in India. The government has justified the move as a preventive step against rising cases of addiction, financial distress, and mental health issues. Electronics and IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav underlined that the law targets companies rather than players, with the intention of shielding citizens, especially the youth, from the perils of compulsive betting, money laundering, and even terror-linked financing. The decision has rattled India's online gaming sector, currently valued at over 27,000 crore rupees and employing more than 2 lakh people. Industry associations such as the All India Gaming Federation, E-Gaming Federation, and Federation of Indian Fantasy Sports have warned of massive layoffs, plummeting investor trust, and the erosion of government revenues, which contribute nearly 20,000 crore rupees annually through GST and income tax. In response to the uncertainty, players are hastily withdrawing wallet balances while firms consider legal remedies and explore new business models. The impact goes beyond gaming. Real money platforms have been major advertisers in cricket, spending nearly 5,000 crore rupees a year. Partnerships such as Dream 11's deal with the BCCI and My 11 Circle's tie-up with the IPL are now in jeopardy. This could shrink sponsorship inflows for franchises, broadcasters, and athletes, with several celebrities already stepping back from endorsements to avoid compliance risks. Legal challenges are expected. Industry leaders argue the ban infringes on the constitutional right to trade and disregards judicial recognition of skill-based games like fantasy sports. Critics in Parliament fear prohibition may drive users toward unregulated offshore operators rather than solving the problem. The government, meanwhile, has attempted to draw a line between exploitative money games and legitimate formats. It has promised to support esports, educational platforms, and social gaming through a new regulator, a 50 crore rupees one-time grant, and annual funding of 20 crore rupees for training centers, academies, and research. Violations could attract penalties of up to 3 years in jail and 1 crore rupees in fines for operators, while advertisers face 2-year sentences and penalties of 50 lakh rupees. The bill now heads to the Rajya Sabha and awaits presidential assent.